Looking to get a powerful Office 365 experience with a full 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how you can easily upgrade your OneDrive account, so not only do you get more space for your files, photos, and documents, but you unlock all the handy features that Office 365 has to offer. By the end of this video, you'll be all set up, ready to store, organize, and collaborate without worrying about running out of space. Let's jump right into it. First, open up your web browser and head over to the OneDrive website. Make sure you're signed in with the Microsoft account you want to upgrade. Once you're logged into your OneDrive, take a look around the interface. The web version is super straightforward, and all your files and folders are visible here. What we want to do now is look for the option that says By Storage. This is usually found either in your account settings or directly from the storage meter, which shows how much space you're currently using. Take your time locating the Buy Storage link. Don't worry if it takes a few extra seconds. Microsoft sometimes shifts it around with interface updates. Go ahead and click on Buy Storage. The page that comes up next is really important because here you'll see a few different storage plan options, each tailored for different needs. Typically, you'll notice there are 3 plans available: Basic, Personal, and Premium. It can be tempting to just look at the price, but make sure you're focusing on the storage and features you'll actually use. Let's break down what each plan gives you and why it matters. The basic plan is the most affordable choice, but it only comes with 100 GB of storage. For light users who just want to save a few documents and maybe some photos, this might seem like enough. But if you want to store a lot of high-quality images, videos, or use your space for work and collaborate with others, 100 GB can fill up more quickly than you'd expect. If that's been your experience in the past, running out of room just when you need it, you're not alone. Now, the personal plan is where things get really interesting. With the personal plan, you get a full 1 TB, that's 1,000 gigabytes of storage. To put that into perspective, that's thousands of high-res photos, countless work documents, or even full HD videos saved securely in the cloud. On top of that, this plan usually includes access to all the Office 365 apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. So not only are you backing up your files, you're also getting powerful productivity tools to create, edit, and share right from your devices. If you see the premium plan, this one generally offers 6 TB of storage, and it's meant for families or households who want to share the benefits among several users. But for most individuals, especially if you don't need to split your storage, the personal plan's 1 TB is perfect. To proceed, select the personal plan. The website will guide you through the checkout process. You might be asked to confirm your payment information, so just follow the prompts. This part can take a few moments, so don't worry if you need to grab your wallet or double-check your details. Once everything is complete, your OneDrive account will automatically upgrade and you'll instantly have 1 TB of storage ready to use. And that's it. You've now unlocked a massive amount of space, plus the productivity power of Office 365. Congratulations! Don't forget, with this plan you can keep your memories safe, access your projects anywhere, and never stress about file size again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions or want to see more tutorials like this. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.